Hey, so here's what you can find in today's video. Just go ahead and read down the list there. I'm not going to read it for you. You got eyes, you got, ears and everything too. Mouths and nose and stuff. All right, so you read it up? All right, let's go ahead and get started. Mate, bruv, you fam, today we have Cernucci, bruv. And today, as you can tell by my accent, I hope you can tell, they're actually based in London, southwest London. So, we got a British UK item in our hands today, man. And I'm so glad they gave it to me. This is a 12mm white gold Cuban link chain. And it is one of the nicest qualities I have had in my hand for a long time. I'm not saying GLDSHOP ain't hitting this, because they probably are. But Cernucci fam is on the grind, mate. So all I have to say is that this piece here, it's a pretty nice piece. So for starters, one thing I definitely noticed right off the bat just holding the box is that it has some weight to it. And with any chain that you have, you want it to have some type of weight because you don't want it to feel cheaply made and really light. If your chain is cheaply and light, niggas will know right off the bat that your chain is high-key, probably most likely fake. And you don't want that. So what I went ahead and did for you guys, I grabbed my scale, put the chain on the scale, let you see how much it weighs so you get a more qualifying understanding of how much this is going to be around your neck. You're going to have some nice, heavy, not too heavy, but nice solid feel on your neck for a good chain. Pause if that sounded funny. All right, so getting away from the chain a little bit, we got the Cernucci website. And one thing I'm realizing is that it's pronounced Cernucci, not Cernucci like I've been saying and no one's corrected me. But Cernucci, we got the website here. Let's go ahead and check out the layout real quick. It looks pretty nice. We got the drops down here. The pendant pricing is pretty decent, man. 65 bucks for a pendant, that's nice. All right, cool. Oh, that's not bad. Only 206 for a 14mm diamond prong link chain. That's pretty lit. So far the pricing is pretty nice, man. So we're gonna check out the collections because I'm pretty sure that's where everything would be when it comes to chains and stuff like that, since they don't have a shop button. We got new drops, custom chains. Let's go ahead and check out the chains because that's where our product most likely will be at. And here's all the chains. Looking at the pricing, like I said, we got some pretty good prices so far. Oh, and here's one we got, the 12mm white Miami Cuban link chain in white gold. So it's only 103 bucks, which is freaking amazing. Let's click on that one there. And we see the variations, which I thought they would have, which is great. So if you don't want the 18 inches, which what I have today, I'm gonna show you guys on the body later on in the video. We also have the 20 inch and the 24 inch. And like I said, it's 103, but if you don't want to pay that all up front, you have 4 interest-free payments of $25.75 with the Sezzle payment system. That's freaking cool, man. After that, you got the sizing guide. So we're gonna click on that to check it out. So this is the 18 inch, 16 would be more around your neck, like tighter. This is 20 inch, 24, and that's a 30 inch down here. So that's what it looks like if you're gonna get the 16, 18, 20, 24. All right. They actually have express delivery worldwide, which is amazing. Lifetime guarantee, that's what that card was in the beginning of the video, if I don't know if you guys checked that out. And then for the plating, we have PVD 5 times dipped, and a great thing I just seen right here, solid 14 karat gold available. So if you guys want solid gold and you have a better price budget, go ahead and contact them by email and they'll give you guys the options for the 14 karat gold. And they even offer SI1 and VS1 diamonds. If you don't know what SI1 and VS1 diamonds are, I made a video on diamond clarity you guys can check out. It's gonna pop up in the top right hand corner right now. So check that out if you haven't. It's pretty dope. It'll give you a lot of information and it's a fun video. It's not too drawn out or long. So there's that as well. But anyway, this is their website. This is how much our chain is today. 18 inches is 103, the 20 inches is 110, and then 24 inches is 116. And of course, you can still do 4 interest-free payments on the Sezzle payment system. Pretty dope, good pricing. Now, getting back into the chain, there are some pros and cons because everything has pros and everything has cons. Now, there's a lot of pros about this item, such as the quality, the look, the feel. I'm gonna show you guys on the body shots in a minute. But the one con that I did have about this item was the box clasp. Now, if you guys don't know, the box clasp and the mechanism is very, very simple. There's a box on your chain, you open it up, and then you take the lock part of the other end of the chain, slide it in there, close it up, and then you have it locked on. You cannot snatch it off your neck. Like I said, if you try to snatch this off somebody's neck, they neck coming off with it. It's gonna hurt. But when I was trying to use this box clasp just to show for demonstration, man, I was struggling. It was dang near impossible to open it. I literally bent my fingernail back. That hurt really bad. So I had to use my key and pry it open a little bit. Now, after getting that open, it did work securely and fine, but once I closed it up again, it was kind of hard to open it once more. And I had to use my key once again to open it up. Now, that's not really a huge issue. It could be a pro for most people, like, wow, it's really not coming off anybody's neck. That could be a great thing. But the con, you know, say you're trying to go to sleep really fast, you just want to take it off, you're really, really annoyed, you got to go find your keys, pry it open, and then, you know, take it off. Maybe it's like some brand new shoes where you need to just wear it in a little bit, and then after a while, the box clasp will open fine after opening it and closing it for a little bit, which is most likely the case. But right off the bat, for me and this particular chain, it was hard to open that box clasp, which kind of sucked. That's the only con I had about this item. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the on-the-body shots now. Thank you so much for watching up until this point if you have. I really, really appreciate you guys. I know I've been gone for a little while, but I've been working on an animation channel. Links will be in the description, and it'll be the first pinned comment. Please check it out for me if you guys do. Thank you so much for watching once again. Peace. Love you guys. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Bye.